Alright, this video is going to focus on vocabulary. I'm not one to make a lot of vocabulary kind of videos, but if I don't see something on YouTube that wasn't really covered, I'm going to make a vocabulary about it. And one thing that I noticed was that Filipinos just suck at geography, okay? Filipinos aren't really good with geography. They suck at it. They're just not educated well in geography, and they're ignorant about it. I'm not trying to belittle Filipinos. This is just a fact. All right, it's in general. It's just true in general. So boohoo, whine, and cry all you want, but it is true unless you do something about it. Anyway, we're gonna do some vocabulary on geography, and without further ado, it's time to learn geography now. Let's go with the continents, right? So, ang mga nasud sa kalibutan o kontinente, right? So, the many countries of the world and continents. So, with Asia, Asia, right? Adunay ta China, Japon, which is Japan, Korea, Korea, Russia is Russia, India, Pilipinas, Malaysia, o Cambodia. There's also Turkey. So, Cambodia is Cambodia and Turkey is Turkey. Sa Africa adunay ta Egypto, which is, as you know, is Egypt. Kenya is Kenya, right? Kenya. Madagascar, Angola, Sudan. Habagatang Africa means South Africa, right? Habagatang Africa, it's that country in South Africa, right? Argelia is Algeria, and Marruecos is Morocco. Now, just keep in mind that these are not the entire country list of the world in whatever continent they're in. They're just like countries out there, just a list of countries. It's not an exhaustive list, so don't get your hopes so high. Sa Europa, adunay ta, España, Francia, Alemania, Grecia is Greece, Irlanda is Ireland, right? And then Dinamarca is Denmark, Inglaterra is England, Escotia is Scotland, and collectively they're a part of the hiniusang gingharian, right? Hiniusang gingharian. The first word hiniusang, the root word here is usa, right here, usa, and usa means one, right? This whole thing in parentheses means the United Kingdom, right? Hiniusang gingharian. So usa, hiniusa means to become one or to make one, right? To be united as one. And we have that nga ligature, which connects the adjective with the noun, right? Hiniusa nga gingharian. And in gingharian, it means kingdom, right? But the root word here is hari. Hari means king, hari. And harian, if we add harian to there, that an ending means like an area where a king is under influence. Gingharian is the kingdom, okay? The kingdom of, or the area where he has his influence. The gingharian, his kingdom, right? Hiniusang gingharian. And finally, sa Amerika, right? In the Amihanang ug Habagatang Amerika, North and South America. We have countries like Brazil, which is Brazil. Mexico is Mexico. Canada. Ang Estados Unidos sa Amerika, right? So the United States of America. Ang Estados Unidos sa Amerika. Cuba is Cuba. Argentina sounds like Argentina. Peru, and the Dominican Republic, which is Republicang Dominicano, right? And just bonus is like we have Australia, right? And then we have Nueva Zelanda, which is weird because we just took the Spanish word from it, which I guess is okay. So Nueva Zelanda. Or since it's written in Spanish, Nueva Zelanda, right? But yeah, this is just a geographical vocabulary at its just, scratching the surface.